Hello, welcome to Biochemistry Tutor 1. In this video tutorial we are going to talk about glycolysis. Please, if you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Give a thumbs up by liking the video. Share to others to also enjoy this amazing content. Today, we're going to explore one of the most fundamental processes in cellular respiration called glycolysis. From previous studies, we know that cellular respiration is a biochemical process by which food is oxidized to release energy for vital cellular activities. Better still, respiration can be termed as a stepwise process often mediated by proteins or enzymes to convert food reserves such as glucose, glycogen, lipids and the like to energy in the form of ATP. Now what is ATP? ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. Think of selling your product for money and you can in turn use this money to purchase any product you want. This is basically what the cell does. It converts its food reserves to ATP and use this ATP as a currency to purchase energy. All these cellular respiration activities occurs in an organelle called mitochondrion. This is why mitochondrion is referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. Just a car without fuel can't move, so as the body cannot function without energy which comes from food. Glycolysis, also known as the Embden-Meyerhof pathway, is a crucial metabolic process that occurs in the cytosol of cells. It is an anaerobic process, meaning it does not require oxygen to proceed. This pathway consists of 10 enzyme-catalyzed reactions and can be broken down into two distinct phases. The first phase of glycolysis encompasses the initial 5 reactions, which ultimately lead to the breakdown of glucose into 2 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Notably, this phase consumes 2 molecules of ATP. The second phase, also known as the payoff phase, includes the last 5 reactions. During this phase, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted into pyruvate. The payoff phase produces 4 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADH. When the pathway consists of 10 enzymatic reactions, divided into 2 phases, the preparatory phase, steps 1 to 5, and the payoff phase, steps 6 to 10. Here's a breakdown of the steps. Preparatory phase, investment of 2 ATP. 1. Phosphorylation of glucose. Glucose is phosphorylated to glucose 6-phosphate by hexokinase, or glucokinase in liver cells, using 1 ATP molecule. This step traps glucose inside the cell and makes it more reactive. 2. Isomerization of glucose 6-phosphate. Glucose 6-phosphate is converted to fructose 6-phosphate by phosphoglucose isomerase. 3. Phosphorylation of fructose 6-phosphate. Fructose 6-phosphate is phosphorylated to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate by phosphofructokinase, using another ATP molecule. 4. Cleavage of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is cleaved into 2 3-carbon molecules, dihydroxyacetone phosphate, DHAP, and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate by aldolase. 5. Isomerization of DHAP. DHAP is isomerized to another molecule of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate by triosiphosphate isomerase. 2. Payoff phase, generation of 4 ATP and 2 NADH. 1. Oxidation and phosphorylation of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is oxidized and phosphorylated to 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate by glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, producing 1 NADH molecule. 2. Substrate-level phosphorylation. 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate donates a phosphate group to ADP, forming ATP and 3-phosphoglycerate by phosphoglycerate kinase. 3. Isomerization of 3-phosphoglycerate. 3-phosphoglycerate is converted to 2-phosphoglycerate by phosphoglycerate mutase. 4. Dehydration of 2-phosphoglycerate. 2-phosphoglycerate loses a molecule of water to form phosphoenol pyruvate, PEP, by enolase. 5. Substrate-level phosphorylation. PEP donates a phosphate group to ADP, forming ATP and pyruvate by pyruvate kinase. The net result of glycolysis is a crucial milestone in cellular respiration. After the breakdown of 1 glucose molecule, the cell gains a net total of 2 molecules of ATP, which is the energy currency of the cell. This is achieved by producing 4 molecules of ATP and consuming 2 molecules of ATP during the process. In addition to ATP, glycolysis also yields 2 molecules of NADH, which play a vital role in the electron transport chain, generating more energy for the cell. Furthermore, glycolysis results in the production of 2 molecules of pyruvate, which can be further processed in the citric acid cycle or used for other cellular purposes. Overall, the net result of glycolysis is a significant step in the cellular respiration process, providing energy and essential molecules for the cell's survival and function.